sa mismong competition?
Ayun, there gonna be an ASEAN climbing to simulate the SEA Games. So I think that's a good start for us to train and to see what our capabilities and yung mga opponent din namin. So yun. So we're gonna I think align ourselves towards that SEA Games until yun maging fully or 100% kami pagdating doon.
Okay?
Yeah, so upon knowing na we're gonna be sent to SEA Games, parang the perspective really changed. Before, climbing for me was more for myself. I want to achieve more. I want to get better at the sport. But then upon knowing na, okay, I'll represent the Philippines, it made me realize it's a whole lot bigger than myself. I'm gonna be representing my country. So moving forward, training will not just be for myself, but for something with more purpose. And so as John said, this ASEAN Games will put us in a really good benchmark on how we can move forward and train and prepare ourselves for the SEA Games.
Lastly, kay Attorney Agra, of course, you handle the several sports, obstacle sports, master sports, 5 throws for all, at of course, now climbing. What is your big challenge for you? Dahil of course, sa lahat ng mga hinahawakan yung NSAs ninyo, maraming mga matagumpay ng programa. Baka pwede nating i-duplicate natin yung tinatawag nating sports for all para dito sa climbing na ngayon ay hinahawakan mo. Thank you.
For me, ang common denominator talaga is inclusivity. So, I think sports is for everyone, regardless of gender, sexual orientation, status, ability level, no? Mahalaga po yun, even age. I think the main challenge is sustainability. And of course, ang malaking factor doon would be funding. Funding for trips, funding for facilities. So I think that's a challenge for everyone. So hopefully, the Philippine Olympic Committee will accept us as a member because that will be the stepping stone for recognition of our athletes and the federation by the Philippine Sports Commission. But again, the direction is clear, the dream is now clearer. So I think success indicator is high for the sport and for athletes, for the organization. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good morning. Ako ulit. Coach game is ina sa dalawang atleta natin. Bawat atleta kasi may mga kwento kung bakit kayo naging nagtagumpay, bakit kayo napunta sa sports na yan.